The prepositions in, on, and at are used to indicate the location of things. They can be used with a variety of nouns, but they have different meanings depending on the context. Here is a general overview of how to use these prepositions. In is used to indicate that something is inside a larger space. For example, you would say, the cat is in the box, or, the book is in the shelf. On is used to indicate that something is on a surface. For example, you would say, the apple is on the table, or, the picture is on the wall. At is used to indicate a specific location. For example, you would say, the store is at the corner of the street, or, the meeting is at 10 a.m. Here are some more specific examples of how to use these prepositions. In can be used to talk about a specific room, building, or city. For example, you would say, I'm in the kitchen, or, the library is in the city center. On can be used to talk about a specific street, road, or highway. For example, you would say, the accident happened on Main Street, or, the bus stop is on the corner of Elm and Main. At can be used to talk about a specific point in time, such as a specific hour or day of the week. For example, you would say, I'll meet you at 10 a.m., or, the party is on Saturday night. It is important to note that the use of these prepositions can vary depending on the dialect of English. For example, in some dialects, it is common to use in instead of on when talking about a specific street or road. Sure, here are some more examples of how to use the prepositions in, on, and at. In. The cat is in the box. The book is in the shelf. I'm in the kitchen. The library is in the city center. The car is in the garage. The plane is in the sky. On. The apple is on the table. The picture is on the wall. The accident happened on Main Street. The bus stop is on the corner of Elm and Main. The bird is on the branch. The clothes are on the line. At. The store is at the corner of the street. The meeting is at 10 a.m. The party is on Saturday night. I'll meet you at the park. The train leaves at 10 a.m. sharp. The sun sets at 8 p.m. in the winter. Exercise 1. Write a sentence using each of the following prepositions of place: in, on, and at. Answers. In. I'm in the garden. On. The cat is on the roof. At. The meeting is at 2 p.m. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition of place. 1. The children are playing __ the park. 2. The dog is sleeping __ the bed. 3. The bird is flying __ the sky. 4. The car is parked __ the street. 5. The house is __ the hill. 6. The store is __ the corner. Answers. 1. In. 2. On. 3. In. 4. On. 5. On. 6. At. Exercise 3. Circle the correct preposition of place. 1. The cat is in, on the roof. 2. The children are playing on, in the park. 3. The dog is sleeping in, on the bed. 4. The car is parked at, on the street. 5. The house is on, in the hill. 6. The store is at, on the corner. Answers. 1. On. 2. In. 3. On. 4. On. 5. On. 6. At. I hope these exercises help you practice using the prepositions in, on, and at.